No time to bake? No problem. Because this no-bake dog cake is quick and easy to make. It is also delectable and healthy for your dog. No-bake dog cake is the perfect surprise for your furry friend's birthday. It does not really matter if you know the actual date of when your dog was born. What matters the most is that you get a chance to give back to all the happiness your dog gave to you. Birthday celebrations are important for everybody, so that means dogs deserve to have ones too. And if you are wondering if this cake is edible for humans, well, you are in luck because it is. There is no problem if your family and friends can have a slice of that dog cake. It is safe for everyone to eat. However, I do not recommend serving this at a formal party. How to accomplish the best dog birthday party? For treats and snacks for your dog's birthday celebration, the best approach is to talk with other pet owners in checking if there are foods that dogs cannot eat. Also, ensure that there is much fresh water for all the dog guests and have snacks for your human guests. But make sure to separate the dog and human snacks to avoid confusion. Most importantly, celebrate it outdoors to allow your dog and his or her guests to run and play. What frosting ingredients are dog-friendly? A birthday cake is never complete without smooth, fluffy, and thick frosting. However, it is essential to ensure that your canine's birthday cake's frosting ingredients are safe. Greek yogurt is a great frosting base. Not only that, but it contains probiotics that are good for your dog's colon. Bananas are rich in fiber and great for a homemade dog birthday cake, so make sure to slice them into bite-sized pieces. What are human foods that dogs cannot eat? Even though this no-bake dog cake recipe is edible for dogs and humans, there are plenty of human foods that dogs cannot eat. Chocolates are the most common food that dogs should never eat. The darker and less sweet the type of chocolate is, the more poisonous it is than milk chocolate, one of the sweet kinds. Likewise, tea and coffee are harmful to dogs to eat because it contains caffeine. It leads to hyperactivity, elevated heart rate, tremors, and seizures. Also, raisins and grapes because it can lead to kidney failure. Limes and lemon are toxic for dogs, which results in gastrointestinal symptoms like diarrhea and vomiting. Never feed your dogs raw yeast dough since alcohol is produced when yeast cells are fermented. As a result, it can lead to alcohol poisoning. Avocados lead to breathing difficulties for dogs since there can be fluid accumulation in their lungs. What you will need for this no-bake dog cake recipe. Ingredients: half cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup almond butter, 1 cup diced banana, 1/4 cup of water. Step-by-step instructions on how to make a no-bake dog cake. Step 1. In a blender, add the diced banana and almond butter, blend until smooth. Add the Greek yogurt and water, then blend until well combined. Step 2. Get your lined muffin sheets and pour in the mixture, then freeze until it solidifies. Afterward, take it out from the freezer and decorate when ready to serve, then let your fur child enjoy it. Tips and tricks for no-bake dog cake. Instead of almond butter, you can have peanut butter as your substitute. If your dog is lactose intolerant, it's better to use 2% Greek yogurt since it is safer because it contains more concentrated probiotics. Be sure to check whether the ingredients of the cake you are making are 100% safe and do not upset your dog's stomach. Prevention is better than cure since most foods like chocolate and grapes can be fatal for dogs. Also, consult your veterinarian if your dogs have dietary concerns and allergies. Always remember that dog cakes should be fed to them in moderation. To lengthen the storage life of your dog's birthday cakes, it can be covered in cling wrap so that it can last up to 3 days at room temperature. This no-bake dog cake can be frozen as well. You can defrost it at room temperature until it is soft if you want to save some of the leftovers for your dog to eat later. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.